Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable insights. Today, let's uncover the world of mutual funds and what makes them such a popular investment choice. Mutual funds serve as an investment vehicle that pools money from numerous investors to buy various securities like stocks, bonds, and other assets. By investing in mutual funds, individuals get the opportunity to access a diverse portfolio of investments managed by professional fund managers. These expert managers handle the investment decisions, which helps spread out risk across different assets, aiming to potentially increase returns over the long term. Investing in mutual funds allows individuals to tap into a professionally managed, diversified portfolio, offering a way to potentially grow wealth while managing risk. To sum it up, mutual funds provide investors with a collective investment option, offering a diversified portfolio managed by professionals for potential long-term growth. Thanks for watching. Mutual funds offer a convenient way to access diversified investments managed by experts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. Investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully. This video is only for educational purposes. Please consult your financial advisor before making any decision.